do? It's that boy Bike Like Twizzy. Y'all see what I see? This is my new and improved Ninja 2010. Y'all hear me? 2010 Kawasaki Ninja. This is the new member of the custom squad, the new member of my family in my bike family collection. Check it out. Just got her. It's gonna be a she. I'm gonna have this be a her. So see that color. I'm gonna leave it that color like that. I ain't really, for now, we gonna say for now. But yeah, it's the new member of the squad. Y'all will see on the road coming to a neighborhood near you. Clean wheels, nice, quiet, super quiet exhaust. Kawasaki Ninja, baby. I'm finally upgraded to a sports bike. I just keep on going. Y'all see what I'm doing. I just keep on rising. This is a new member. I thought I'd never get on one of these because I crashed on my partner's, but his had a lot more power. This is a 250. His is 1,000 cc. So yeah, I was on his and crashed going like 2 miles an hour. Got the dashboard looking nice. Let's hear the sound of it. That's quiet. Barely hear it. Ooh, that sounds beautiful. I mean, I'm satisfied. Everything work on it. Turn signals work at the flick of a wrist. Yeah. So this is the new member, y'all, the Kawasaki 2010 Ninja. I'm doing this. I'm on it. Y'all stay tuned. Bike Like Twizzy, custom fields, custom cycles, keeping it custom. President, founder, CEO. I'm here. I'm everywhere. Check me out.